Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. Which Malovian play is based on the historical figure Jacques Clement? A. Edward II, B. The Massacre at Paris, C. Dr. Faustus, D. Tamburlaine the Great. The right answer is option B. The Massacre at Paris. Next question. In Dr. Faustus, Faustus sells his soul for how many years of service from Mephistopheles? A. 12 years, B. 20 years, C. 24 years, D. 30 years. The right answer is option C. 24 years. Next question. Which Shakespeare play contains the line, ripeness is all? A. Hamlet, B. Macbeth, C. King Lear, D. Measure for Measure. The right answer is option C. King Lear. Next question. The induction in The Taming of the Shrew centers on which character? A. Petruchio, B. Christopher Sly, C. Lucentio, D. Baptista. The right answer is option B. Christopher Sly. Next question. Ben Jonson's theory of comedy emphasized A. Romantic idealism, B. Humor based on types, C. Classical unities, D. Psychological realism. The right answer is option B. Humor based on types. Next question. Which Shakespearean tragedy was first printed in the first folio but not in quarto? A. Hamlet, B. Macbeth, C. King Lear, D. Julius Caesar. The right answer is option D. Julius Caesar. Next question. In Volpone, Mosca's name symbolically represents A. Wisdom, B. Wealth, C. Deceit, D. Poverty. The right answer is option C. Deceit. Next question. Which play of Marlowe presents the theme of overreaching ambition most explicitly? A. Edward II, B. Dr. Faustus, C. Dido, Queen of Carthage, D. The Jew of Malta. The right answer is option B. Dr. Faustus. Next question. Shakespeare's problem plays include A. Hamlet, Macbeth, Othello, B. The Tempest, Cymbeline, Pericles, C. Measure for Measure, All's Well That Ends Well, Troilus and Cressida, D. Much Ado About Nothing, As You Like It, Twelfth Night. The right answer is option C. Measure for Measure, All's Well That Ends Well, Troilus and Cressida. Next question. Ben Jonson's Every Man in His Humor is notable for its use of A. Tragic irony, B. Comedy of humors, C. Romantic subplot, D. Pastoral setting. The right answer is option B. Comedy of humors. Next question. Which Shakespeare play ends with the line, The rest is silence? A. Othello, B. King Lear, C. Hamlet, D. Macbeth. The right answer is option C. Hamlet. Next question. The character Barabbas appears in which Marlowe play? A. Tamburlaine, B. Edward II, C. The Jew of Malta, D. Dr. Faustus. The right answer is option C. The Jew of Malta. Next question. Which Shakespeare play has the longest stage direction, exit, pursued by a bear? A. The Winter's Tale, B. Pericles, C. The Tempest, D. Cymbeline. The right answer is option A. The Winter's Tale. Next question. Ben Jonson's Sejanus is set in A. Ancient Greece, B. Republican Rome, C. Imperial Rome, D. Medieval Italy. The right answer is option C. Imperial Rome. Next question. Which Marlowe play was unfinished at the time of his death? A. Edward II, B. Hero and Leander, C. The Jew of Malta, D. Tamburlaine Part 2. The right answer is option B. Hero and Leander. Next question. Shakespeare's Henry VIII is also known as A. All is True, B. The Famous Victories, C. The Crowned King, D. Tudor Triumph. The right answer is option A. All is True. Next question. Which Johnsonian comedy exposes urban corruption most harshly? A. Volpone, B. The Alchemist, C. Bartholomew Fair, D. Cynthia's Revels. The right answer is option C. Bartholomew Fair. Next question. In Dr. Faustus, the good angel and evil angel function as A. Comic relief, B. Chorus figures, C. Allegorical figures, D. Supernatural agents only. The right answer is option C. Allegorical figures. Next question. Which Shakespeare play is entirely written in verse except for one scene? A. Richard II, B. Julius Caesar, C. Macbeth, D. Antony and Cleopatra. The right answer is option A. Richard II. Next question. Ben Jonson famously defined drama as A. A mirror of nature, B. An imitation of life, C. A moral instruction, D. A lawful imitation of manners and life. The right answer is option D. A lawful imitation of manners and life. Next question. Shakespeare's Troilus and Cressida draws heavily from which source? A. Plutarch, B. Holinshed, C. Homer and Chaucer, D. Ovid. The right answer is option C, Homer and Chaucer. Next question. Which Johnsonian play revolves around alchemical fraud? A. Volpone, B. The Alchemist, C. Sejanus, D. Poetasta. The right answer is option B, The Alchemist. Question for you. Which Renaissance dramatist was known as the father of English tragedy? A. Christopher Marlowe, B. Thomas Kyd, C. Ben Jonson, D. William Shakespeare. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.